Moksha. Today I'm going to teach you how to make palak soup with vegetables. So let's get started. To do the palak soup, you have to boil the palak. I already boiled it. You have to add 3 chilies, 1 tomato and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Our next ingredient is boiled vegetables. I added sweet corn, carrot and beans. After boiling, you'll have this remaining stock, vegetable stock. You have to not throw this. You can use it afterwards. For frying, take finely chopped garlic, onion, capsicum, cabbage and mushrooms. Now, let's see the preparation method. First, light the flame and add 3 teaspoons of oil. Now, add garlic. And fry it. Spinach also contains vitamin K, fiber, phosphorus. Most of the calories in spinach come from protein and carbohydrates. Let's add some onions. Spinach is also one of the best sources of dietary magnesium, which is necessary for energy metabolism. Now the onions will turn into transparent color. Now let's add capsicum and cabbage. Spinach is a good source of iron and a great source of insoluble fiber. It is rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. It makes bones stronger. It improves our heart health. Now add 3 to 4 mushrooms in this bowl. It helps to produce new red blood cells and it controls our blood pressure. It provides energy and it is very good for our hair. In the meanwhile, let's add the boiled palak and tomatoes into the mixie jar. Now you have to grind this. Let's add the palak paste into the bowl. Let's add the vegetable stock into the mixie jar. Now add it into the mixing bowl. Now mix it. Let it boil for few minutes. Add the boiled vegetables. Boiled vegetable will contain vitamins. After adding the boiled vegetables, add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Add salt to taste. It is colorful, right? Now our palak soup is getting ready. Hope you all enjoyed watching my healthy palak soup recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.